We're looking at everything. There's a bald eagle up on top of that tree. It's getting dark, but you can still see some things. There's a duck. And there's deer down there. This is a really pretty part. Oh, look at this. Sorry about my thumb. The ducks are feeding. Look at that sunset. It's just beautiful. I got talked into coming down here, and I'm glad I did. One more look at the eagle. Sorry you can't see him very well, but that is super cool. It looks like he's just in space, but there's a limb with no leaves on it that it's sitting on. It's very cool. Very cool evening. It's supposed to get really cold tonight, too. This is nice. Bye-bye.